Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Kaspa's price is currently sitting at $0.08886, still struggling to break free from this frustrating range it's been trapped in. The bulls have tried to push it higher, even touching 9 cents yesterday, but they just don't have the firepower. We're still hovering just below that critical 100-day moving average, which has become a formidable wall for the price. Yesterday we talked about how the 9 cent $0.091 range was the line in the sand for the bulls, and that prediction held true. The price couldn't close above it, and that's a major signal of weakness. We also said that if the $0.082 support held, we'd likely see more sideways action, and that's exactly what has happened. No breakout, no breakdown, just more of the same choppy price action that's been driving everyone insane. Right now momentum is mixed, volume is quiet, and the daily candles are small, classic signs of market indecision. The big question on everyone's mind is simple: will Kaspa finally clear that $0.091 resistance, or are we heading back down to test support again? Reading the Kaspa chart, key levels and indicators. Let's take a closer look at what the chart is screaming at us. Since mid-July, Kaspa has been bouncing between some very clear levels. The price failed to hold above the 100-day SMA, fell into a support zone, and then buyers stepped in aggressively, especially around the 7 cents mark. That red box on the chart between $0.065 and 8 cents has become a magnet for buyers. We keep seeing the price bounce out of it, but without enough volume to sustain a major breakout. If the bulls can find the momentum to close a daily candle above $0.091, our next targets are $0.095 and potentially even 10 cents, 11 cents. But right now, we're seeing small candles and low volume, which tells me the market is waiting for a catalyst. We need volume to step in and make a statement, or we're just going to keep chopping sideways. Now, a quick look at the technical indicators confirms this indecision. The MACD and Ultimate Oscillator are showing some hints of a bullish lean, but the ADX indicator is flashing a warning sign that the trend is weak. The RSI and CCI are both neutral, telling us the market is perfectly balanced, leaning neither bullish nor bearish. It's a textbook example of a market waiting for a move. If you're finding this deep dive useful for your trading and you want to stay ahead of the crypto market, you have to hit that like button and subscribe to the TJ Crypto World channel. Your support helps us bring you this in-depth analysis every day. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss a critical market update. Kaspa price scenarios, the road ahead. Given the current technical landscape, here's how I see the next 24 hours playing out. Bullish scenario. The best case scenario for Kaspa bulls is a decisive break above $0.091. But here's the key: it needs to be accompanied by a significant spike in volume. If we see that, it could be the spark that pushes the price towards $0.095 and then potentially to 10 cents or even 11 cents. This would be a clear signal that buyers have taken control. Neutral scenario. This is still the most likely outcome. If Kaspa's price continues to respect the $0.082 support and we can't find the strength to break above $0.091, we're just going to stay in this tight range. Get used to more of the sideways action, with the price bouncing between these two key levels. Bearish scenario. If the bulls fail to defend the $0.082 support, we could see a quick drop. The next targets would be $0.077, with even stronger support waiting at 7 cents and $0.065. A break below $0.082 would be a major red flag and a sign that the bears have taken back control. The final word: the waiting game. The bottom line is simple, folks. Kaspa is in a tight range and neither the bulls nor the bears have managed to land a knockout punch. The sideways chop is likely to continue until we get a decisive break above $0.091 or a drop below $0.082. Your mission as a trader or investor is to keep a close eye on volume and price action as we approach these key levels. That will be your tell. That will tell you exactly where Kaspa is headed next. The chart is a roadmap, but you have to know how to read the signs. Thank you all for tuning in and being a part of the TJ Crypto World community. Your support means everything. If you found this technical breakdown helpful, please smash that like and subscribe button. We've got more in-depth analysis of the hottest coins coming your way. Check out some of our other videos on the channel right here and stay sharp. Until next time, stay safe in the markets.